Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. And today guys, we are going to be talking about Facebook push notification and how you can manage them in order to get less notification on your Android device, because most time it gets annoying. Now, what is push notification? Push notification are those pop-ups that comes on your phone device while you are doing something even beside logging into the particular application of that push notification. Now, almost every application has push notification, varying from Facebook, from WhatsApp, Twitter. Definitely, almost all application you have on your device has this push notification. Now, these are where the push notification comes in. Now, every notification that comes in on top of this area are called push notification on your Android device. On websites, on desktop and laptops, they view them in a different way. They actually come up on their screen and whatever. But on your Android phone, it comes up like this, and you could actually choose um you could actually swipe and then get more detail about our push notification. Most times whenever you try to click on it and you swipe in, it gives you some detail to either keep this push notification coming in or to make it relevant or irrelevant. Now, in order for this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manage this push notification on your Facebook application. Now, open your Facebook application. If your Facebook is already logged in, all you need to do is to go over to your menu area, scroll to your settings area, and then click on settings and privacy, and then go ahead and click on your settings. So the next thing you need to do is scroll down a little bit to where it says notifications. Now this is notification, just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on the notification, you can notice on top of this area where it says push notification. So you can notice it has this push notification mute on off. So on default, or you can click on this to turn it off, and on default is always on, so you can go ahead and mute it for like some minutes. But Facebook doesn't allow you to turn this off or entirely, so you can either choose until I choose to unmute. So you can go ahead and click this to mute entirely. So whenever you choose to unmute, you can go ahead and unmute it. And note that if you choose this unmute, that you are not going to be receiving push notification any longer, even for important message or unimportant message. You can no longer receive this particular option. But when you click on this particular option and select any particular feature, for instance, you say you want it to be mute for 9 hours, it's going to be mute until 9 a.m. Okay, so this actually reduces your privacy. This actually reduces your activities on your Facebook, because most times whenever you get this push notification, you get tempted to open it and then to visit this application and read whatever it has on it. But whenever you turn this off, it allows you to use less time on your Facebook. And if you're trying to learn how to manage your Facebook properly in order to become not to be an addict, you can go ahead and turn this off until you unmute it. And then it also have more settings for your notifications. You can click on this particular option to choose whichever you want to receive. If you do not want to receive this message from comments from um if you do not want to receive comments from mute notification, you can go ahead and mute this and then allow it for SMS or whatever choice you want. And then they still have some other options from tags. You can also choose to mute the tag, or you can choose whichever you want, either from friends of friends or from friends. You can choose whichever choice you want, or you can just click on to mute or unmute this particular option for this area. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. Also have a reminder, like a reminders for birthdays and other stuff. You can also choose to off the push notification, and then you still have more of it. Okay, actually birthday is different. I think a reminder should be either a date. Let me see. There's a notification to remind you of updates you missed. What? Are you serious? Okay. So And then you can see more features on notification. You can either choose to turn off either of them. And then also, if you notice below, you can also see where to receive notification. You can just click on the push notification to see which push notification and how they are received. Now again, for instance, if you want your phone to vibrate whenever you get this push notification, you can leave it on. But if it doesn't want any distraction, you can just go ahead and turn it off. And also, if it doesn't want the flashlight to flash on the screen and let you know that you actually received the message, you can also put it off. Then also, if you want to disable the sound it's receiving while it coming, you can also turn it off. And also, just below, whenever you log out notification or login notification, most time whenever somebody logging into your account, you get the notification from Gmail, but this is actually Facebook. So whenever you are logged out, you do not get this particular push notification. So you can always leave it off and on whenever you want to. So once you're done with your setting, just go ahead and back out of it, and then it's going to save automatically. It doesn't have a save button. So then if you are done with whatever you're doing, you can just back out entirely. And then that's it for this particular video tutorial. So for instance, if I did leave a comment here and say, oh wow, great. So if anybody should leave a comment from this area, I'm going to get notification from them, and this notification is also going to be coming from this top area also. So that is actually how push notification works, which is actually very easy to do. So whatever I do, or either I leave a post on my area, on my timeline, and then somebody leaves a reply or likes it, I'm going to get the push notification of that particular content. So hopefully you guys learned from this video. I really appreciate it. And please do not forget to press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to receive more of my new videos in the next time I upload them. And also do not forget to leave a like and share the video if you heard anyone. Appreciate you. See you guys some other time. And please do not forget to share this video with your friends and recommend more people to visit the channel. All right, see you guys soon. I'm signing out.